Welcome to Star Aviation's internal training video about COVID-19. At Star, the safety of our people, our clients and their customers is paramount. With the current challenges of COVID-19, it is imperative that you understand what you can do as an individual to reduce the risk of transfer of infection. COVID-19, otherwise known as coronavirus, is a virus that affects the human respiratory system. Common symptoms of COVID-19 include a fever, a cough, a sore throat, and/or shortness of breath. In more severe cases, infection can cause pneumonia with severe acute respiratory distress. COVID-19 symptoms are very similar to the common flu. It is important if you are feeling unwell or if you're experiencing flu-like symptoms to consult with your COVID-19 clinic or your local GP and self-isolate immediately. Please ensure you notify the clinic via a phone call and advise of your symptoms before attending in person. This is to ensure you abide by strict instructions as outlined by the clinic. In Australia, the people most at risk of getting COVID-19 are those individuals returning from overseas, or anyone who's been in close contact with someone who's been diagnosed with COVID-19. People with compromised immune systems or chronic medical conditions are also at a higher risk, including those of elderly. However, it is important to note that anyone can contract COVID-19. Like the common flu, COVID-19 is spread by human interaction. This can be in the form of coughing, sneezing, coming into contact with contaminated hands, as well as touching contaminated surfaces. COVID-19 is currently tested by taking samples in the form of swabs from the back of the nose, throat, or fluid from lungs. This can be conducted by a GP, private pathologies, public hospitals, or COVID-19 clinics. You can assist in reducing the spread of COVID-19 by implementing the following. Frequently wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Please ensure you cover your nose and mouth with a tissue when coughing or sneezing. If you're unable to use a tissue, please use your elbow. Avoid close contact with people who are feeling unwell or experiencing flu or cold-like symptoms. If you yourself are feeling unwell or have cold-like symptoms, please stay home. Avoid touching your face, particularly in public areas. Please also avoid shaking hands with others and try to maintain a distance of 1.5 meters from others. Please visit sites such as the World Health Organization or the Australian Department of Health for recent COVID-19 updates. STAR has invested in a range of materials and personal protective equipment to assist in reducing the spread of COVID-19. Airports nationally are provided with gloves, face masks, eyewear, overalls, and hand sanitizer. STAR's Board of Directors have further developed a comprehensive COVID-19 business plan to address on-site restrictions. This includes office-based personnel working from home where possible, enforcing the 1.5 metre distance between employees where possible, organising meetings via teleconference where possible, displaying posters nationally outlining safe practices and COVID-19 updates, increasing cleaning and disinfecting of common areas, limiting the amount of employees allowed in one vehicle at a time, as well as introducing clear walking paths to reduce the flow of traffic. Further to this, cabin cleaning teams are provided with new cleaning products specifically designed and concentrated chemicals used for cabin cleaning services and overall cleaning of the airport environment. Our customer service officers are further provided with sneeze guards to reduce the transfer of infections and limit human interaction as much as possible. Thank you for watching Star Aviation's COVID-19 internal training video. We hope the information provided has been informative and assists in your understanding of the matter. By adhering to government guidelines and corporate policies and procedures, we can assist in reducing the spread of COVID-19. Using the information provided in the video, please answer the following multiple choice questions. How can you assist in reducing the spread of COVID-19? Washing your hands, covering your mouth, avoiding large crowds, staying home if unwell, or all of the above. True or false? You must call a clinic advising your flu-like or COVID-19 symptoms prior to attending or organising your appointment. How is COVID-19 spread? Through food, through human contact, or by travelling? Who can contract COVID-19? Anyone, the elderly, or travellers only? True or false? As a response to COVID-19, Star Aviation is providing ports nationally with additional personal protective equipment such as gloves, face masks,